We got a little exact values of the trig expressions going on. We could do some half angles or maybe some addition. So I'm going to do one of each. Anytime I've got 12s, I think I want to look for half angles. And we should definitely get some of those in our addition. We should definitely already have that in our notes. So what addition gives me 13 12s of two things that we already know? I think that's going to be sine of, how about 3 pi over 12 plus 10 pi over 12? Are those two that we know? 3 pi over 12 is pi over 4. 10 pi over 12 is 5 pi over 6. Those are definitely two we know. So it's going to be the sine of pi over 4 times the sine of 5 pi over 6 plus the cosine of pi over 4 plus the cosine of 5 pi over 6. We've got the square root of 2 over 2 times the 1/2 plus root 2 over 2 times negative root 3 over 2. So our final answer should be root 2 minus root 6 over 4. Perfect. And then right here, the cosine of 5 pi over 8, that one we're going to want to use a half angle formula. We want to call that 5 pi over 4 over 2. So it's half of 5 pi over 4. And our cosine half angle, that should be in our note card, is the cosine of x over 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus the cosine of just x over 2. So I want plus or minus square root of 1 plus the cosine of, now my x is just the 5 pi over 4 over 2. The cosine of 5 pi over 4, let's first talk about this plus or minus. 5 pi over 8, where's that going to be? Here's 4 pi over 8, here's 8 pi over 8, so 4 pi over 8 is going to be somewhere in here, meaning the cosine is negative. So it's minus 1 plus, so that means 5 pi over 4, that one is down here, negative root 2 over 2 over 2. And then if we divide everything by 2 and kind of use our common denominator, I think we should end up with negative 2 minus root 2 over 4, which I think most people will take out the square root of 4 on the bottom and call it negative root 2 plus root 2 all over 4. That'd be a nice, pretty exact answer.